So for now, forget about celebrities we get management. Management celebrity they complicated. You could act as the main celeb, gone. So now this, let's say now Morgan Wallen now I search first now. See now Morgan Wallen now, Shana Morgan Wallen I search first, yes. So let's say now Morgan Wallen you won't use bomb. Now you can just look for where he dey talk. Make I go for videos. So that if client just chatting and they want that say nobody Morgan, you go wipe them voice notes ASAP. So that all those things now gonna bring trust. Make I find where he dey talk.
What's going on, y'all? I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight to it. I got some bad news.
So you click on share. You copy the video of the celeb when he dey talk. You go your browser, your Safari, search for Facebook video downloader. They say I'm Facebook video downloader. You think will carry you come here. You can just paste the link of the video, then you click on download. I try explain all these things so nobody could ask me creepy questions. You click on, you go download the video in HD quality, so the quality will make sense. So go use and they do video. Now I don't download the video, so I go just save them. I'll click on this share, then I'll save them. So now play.ht now. Some people say no they work, meanwhile they work. Just on your VPN, my VPN they on. Now watch. I go my play.ht now. See I'm play.ht. And you click on generate AI voices for free. If you never create account, you create account. Me, I get account, so I got just log in. This thing I go warrant me to delete my previous voice way there, but no, just for the sake of tutorials, I go do them. Cause the voice way there and one girl. So you go click on the three dots way there. You click on voice cloning. I already get voice here, and if you I use free plan, I never subscribe, and I don't want to subscribe because now $19 it cost. Then I'll make I delete them. Okay, then I'll click on create new clone. Instant. Next, I go upload the guy video. This Morgan Wallen video. Fuck, this is too long. Shit, I need short versions.
What's going on, y'all? Go on vocal rest.
Just done. Oh, it go take time. This thing go take time die, cause the thing got upload. But anyhow, Sha. You don't upload finish it, I'm surprised. Then you name what you want. Make a name Morgan. Then on a mail, you confirm. Then you click on finish. Cloning voice. Cloned. Use. Now listen out. Person chat you now. Her name is like Sophia. Hello dear. Sophia. Thank you for being a good fan of mine. I kept seeing your comments on all my posts, Facebook posts, so I decided to reach out to you. I hope you are having a great weekend. I no put punctuations. I won't just rush them. Make this thing not too long. When I just say as it be, then you click on play. The thing go load. Now, if they don't this thing now, play.ht don't update their app. They don't allow people before. If you generate voice notes, you go download them. But now they don't allow person download. If you want download, they will tell me subscribe $19. Or go they kill their papa. So I don't get that kind of money to waste for this site. So I dey screen record them. So the screen record, they go screen record them. But let's say their size they get glitch. If I click on download lately, they allow me download, which I know is an error. They will still change them back to their nonsense subscription method. The thing long, so now why they take time. The thing go load. Once you don't finish, now you go see download icon for here and testing. Testing means you go hear everything you create, which now the method that they use screen record them. So just wait. Ah fuck. Why this thing they waste my time? Yeah. So now if I click on download, the thing feel allow me. Fuck, you work. But make I just show you the easy method in case your own no agree. You click on this testing, may know anything you make. Now make I play them.
Hello there, Sophia. Thank you for being a good fan of mine. I kept seeing your comments on all my Facebook posts, so I decided to reach to you. I hope you having a great weekend.
It's actually sharp die. So what he guys do now? Make I screen record them now. Make I screen record this thing where he talk now. So if I just screen record them now, I don't forget how they do screen records. I know if you screen record them. So if you screen record this stuff now where they talk now, you don't screen record them, you don't get the audio now. You could go to Dreamface. You go download the app for your app store. Once you go for Dreamface, you go for, they will tell me you pay, you click on cancel. You go for video lip sync, you click on the video where you just click on this part. Like you click on avatar, you select the video. Which now the Morgan Wallen video I will select. So I'll go to recent. Where the video can enter self. Whatever. Just select the video of the person. Then you click on add scripts to continue. Now you go come click on import. Then from album. Once you go from album, you go take it to your gallery. You go come upload that screen record of the voice. She get the screen record of the voice now. Let's say now the voice be this, for example, which you just click on now. The voice go load. Say now the voice be this. You click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you click on animate. ASAP thing go make video when the video of the celebrity they lip sync to it you type for the players HD. As easy as that. I don't get time for all the show working, so now understand what I mean. So now so it be.